When it comes to Chrysler's 3.6L Pentastar, Jasper 100% tests each oil pump before their installation. The Pentastar uses a dual-displacement oil pump. The powertrain control module drives a solenoid to adjust the pump's flow rate into a low or high-pressure mode, depending on engine operating conditions, oil and coolant temperatures, speed, and load. Failure of the pump or the solenoid can result in diagnostic codes, low oil pressure, even catastrophic engine damage. Jasper remanufactures the oil pumps. Then they're 100% tested on a Jasper-designed computer-automated pump stand. The test simulates real-world pressure output of the pump without having variables such as engine oil clearance. Oil pressure and flow are measured at varying RPMs with the solenoid on and off. Our extensive dyno testing of the Pentastar with varying engine oil clearances have determined proper oil pressure and flow specs to use during pump testing. Jasper's engines and pumps are held to these tight specifications. Our oil pump testing process for the remanufactured 3.6L Pentastar is another way that Jasper provides you and your customers with the perfect product.